Dvate is a renowned Melburnian contemporary artist specialising in large-scale murals. This piece is yet another example of his immense talent and his love for native fauna and flora. Dvate always bases his murals on flora and fauna of the local area, raising awareness for an endangered species. He spent a lot of time researching Frankston and surrounds and ended up choosing the Hooded Plover to focus on for the Big Picture Fest in 2018. Found all along the coast, Dvate felt they were a really important species to highlight. Only 2.5% of chicks make it to the fledgling stage, one of the lowest success rates for breeding in the world. I worked with the local community group Friends of the Hooded Plover Mornington Peninsula to come up with a concept, and they gave me access to a huge selection of amazing images taken to use as reference for the wall, he said. I decided to show the various stages of the bird, from egg, chick, fledgling to adult, surrounded by abstract hazard tape as a symbol of their vulnerability. The response to the artwork has been amazing and led to another mural featuring the hooded plover that I recently completed at Sorrento Back Beach, right near one of the breeding sites.